In this video, I will show you how I installed two channel dash cams to have a 360 degrees coverage of my car. I used two dual channel cameras to achieve this. A Thinkware Q800 Pro dual channel, installing the main camera on the front windshield of the car and the rear camera on the left of the car on the C-pillar as you see in the video. The installation on the C-pillar, I've done it far from the airbags, and I also installed a Viafo 129 Duo, installing the main camera on the back window and the rear camera of the Viafo on the right side of the car, on the C-pillar also, and also of course far from the airbags. The camera's placements on the side does not hinder the view from the rear windows and is far from the passengers, so the doors can close and open freely. This is the Thinkware, how it is installed on the C-pillar. And this is the Thinkware Q800 Pro installed on the front windshield. The Thinkware is hardwired to the car's battery, so it has a parking mode enabled. For now, I didn't hardwire the Viafo because I didn't want to hardwire two dual channel cameras to my car's battery. If I've done this, it will deplete the battery quickly. Soon I will be installing an external battery pack, and I'm planning on hardwiring both cameras. This way I will have 24/7 coverage of my car in parking mode and of course while driving. Stay tuned for this video when I hardwire both cameras. As you see in the footage, the cameras cover all the angles of the car. The cameras already have a great quality video. So I installed here, as you see, I've put them in the video. The Thinkware front is on the top left, and below it is a rear Viafo camera. And then the left side of the car is on the top right corner, which is the Thinkware rear cam, and on the bottom right corner is the rear Viafo webcam, which is on the right side angle of the car. I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave me your comments, and subscribe to my channel.